Sabi lobo. May lobo.
Ito si Kuya Luis po.
Mahihain nga daw sa babae si Kuya Luis. Nakapalda, Kuya Mark. Pusa? Video po. Bye-bye po. Yung case.
Galing sa picture ko. Pag ng Facebook na wala, iiyak.
Nasa sasakyan po.
Thank you. That was our first contestant number 1, Mr. Magal. Okay, judges, any comments? Okay, so before we finally end our celebration for tonight, may I ask Mama Jade and Daddy Luis? Opo. Daddy Luis prepared a very special song number for everyone. Song and dance. So let's give a round of applause to Mommy Jade and Daddy Luis.
I just want to thank this wonderful and special day with now my little birds, little guys, and we welcome first to Christian world. And birthday. And you know, God is really good to those who really live, because we are very blessed that she gave Ariana Kristen to our life, and she is our reason who completes our life. And we are very blessed. And to all the godparents, we are very thankful that you accept to be the godparents of my daughter. And to all the people, I cannot name you individually, from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you very much. This occasion would not be possible without you guys. Maraming salamat po. Hindi ko lang po mag-sensa kasi hindi po namin po nakaya nyo. So lalo kami mag-anak dito. Kayo po yung naging kamag-anak namin para. And sa lahat po ng nagdasal for how many years dumating po sila yan sa amin. Magawa namin yung parents namin to be a good parents to her and to inherit her a good values, to respect people, to be a good person to everybody. Thank you.
Thank you, Mami Jade and Tata Luis and Ariana. And on behalf of Jade and Luis, I would like to thank each and everyone for coming in tonight, for making the night very, very memorable.